I've also realized something now after setting up the fence for the, I don't know, this fence, this is set up for the third time, but I've also moved the ducks and guineas, they're back there, probably 5, if not 6 times already. And I've realized something about this portable electric fencing. And in retrospect, it's very obvious, it's a simple mathematical truth. But you frequently see people setting up these nets as long, thin rectangles. And that's how I had it when they were up there as well. And I think that's so that you can pull the tractor through without needing to reset the fence very often. But if you are building a run for them to deplete and then moving the whole thing at once, like I am with my mobile coop but too big to move daily, the closer your net is to a square, the more area there is inside the run for the chickens to explore. If you think about a rectangle and you keep shrinking it to make it longer and longer and longer, eventually it gets so small that the area completely disappears, drops down to 0. The more square you make it, the more area you end up with. It feels like you should have the same amount of area because the perimeter is unchanged. Oh, the rain's really starting. Whoa. Come on, Kino. Come on. Okay, I'll finish that thought inside. So if you have a perimeter of, let's say 8, doesn't matter what units, if you have a perimeter of 8 feet or meters, you can arrange that as a square, 2 units on each of the 4 sides, which would give you an area of 4, 2 times 2 on the inside. Or you could arrange it as a rectangle. 1, the north and south sides, and 3 on the east and west sides, but that only gives you an area of 3. So you can run the numbers yourself, but if it hasn't occurred to you like it didn't occur to me, the way to get the most space in your portable run is to arrange the net in a square instead of a long rectangle. Now actually there's one way to get even more space out of the portable net, and that is to arrange it in as close to a circle as you can. So my net has 14 segments, so I could arrange it into a tetradecagon, which would be a 14-sided polygon, which is as close to a circle as I can make it, and that would technically maximize the space in the run. The problem with that is that I would then need 14 T-posts to stabilize the net and hold it nice and tight, whereas a square you only need 4. So a little bit of chicken run math there for you.